my name is Amelia. Welcome to Mug Cooking Mondays with the Polk County Public Libraries. Today I'm going to walk you through making a delicious apple pie in a mug. And to get started, you will need the ingredients that you saw on the slide before this video started. So go ahead and gather those and I'll walk you through making this dessert. Okay, so to get started, you'll need your mug. You'll also need some all-purpose flour, a little bit of milk, some granulated sugar, cinnamon, vanilla extract, which smells amazing, baking powder, apple pie filling, which is super yummy, and I found out that you can actually use cherry or blueberry pie filling. Any kind of pie filling will make a delicious dessert, so I'm going to use apple today. And then also some butter. And I'm going to show you a special trick with butter so you actually don't have to measure it out. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my dry ingredients together. And the recipe there are two different recipes. The recipe that you received in your mug cooking packet actually makes 2 servings of this. So you'll need 2 separate mugs if you're following that recipe. And for this video, I have divided the recipe in half. So we're going to use half of those ingredients to make 1 serving of the pie in a mug. All right, so I'm going to use my dry ingredients first. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of flour, and I'm going to go ahead and measure that out and pour it in my mug. Okay, I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of my granulated sugar. You can use Splenda if you have that at home. I'm going to use regular sugar. So I've got 1 and 2 tablespoons. Okay. Hold my sugar back up so we don't have any spills in the kitchen, and also with my flour. And now I'm going to go ahead and use a spoon and mix those dry ingredients together. All right. The next thing I'm going to add is the baking powder, and I am going to use a 1/4 teaspoon. So it's a little itty bitty small measuring spoon. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon, so that same measuring spoon, of cinnamon. Pour that in my mug. And I'm going to stir those ingredients together. So again, you're just mixing the dry ingredients right now. Get them all stirred in there. And it smells really good already. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of my wet ingredients. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of milk. And I'm going to be very careful and pour this over the sink, just in case we have any spills. Alrighty. 1/4 cup of milk. I'm going to put the lid back on my milk. I'm going to add some vanilla. I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And the tricky part is going to be to get the lid off of the vanilla. Can you work on getting that off, please? Thank you. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that together. So it's making like a cake batter right now. So you want to make sure that you get all of the clumps of flour mixed in evenly. Okay. And here's the vanilla extract. And we're going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of that. Very carefully. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm going to stir that in. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my microwave to melt some butter. So for this, you'll need a separate glass bowl or another mug to get that butter melted. And we are going to use 2 tablespoons of butter. Now this is very cool because you can see on the butter, it's already measured out for you. So I've got 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna cut right on that line and melt this part of the butter in the microwave. Okay, so I'm gonna get a knife out and do that. Got my, well, you know what? My butter is softened, so this is a little harder to do, but I can tell where it's at, so that's okay. Okay. I'm gonna grab another dish so I can melt this butter in the microwave. So there's my 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna stick it in the microwave for about 30 seconds so it can melt. And while that's melting, I'm gonna go ahead and add my apple pie filling. All right, so you're gonna put in 1/4 cup of apple pie filling, and we can use that same spoon. Actually, I'm gonna get a different spoon. You could use the same spoon, but I'm just gonna scoop some of the apple into my 1/4 cup here. All right, so my apple pie filling, I'm gonna pour that right into my mug. So you don't need a lot of apples. I think I actually got 2 apples into that. Okay, and here's my butter. It's making some noise. I'm gonna take it out and you can tell that the butter is already melted because it's this nice liquidy formula. All right, I'm going to mix my apple pie filling into my cake batter, add in my melted butter, and cook this for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now you'll need to watch this in the microwave, and of course, as soon as this is done in the microwave, it will be very hot. So I recommend letting it cool before you serve it with ice cream, maybe vanilla ice cream, or whipped topping. I'll show you a picture on the next slide.